In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your images for SEO and your website. Now when we're talking about optimization, we're talking about a couple things. We're talking about your website speed, so you'll need smaller images, and then we're also talking about your alt tags and the naming of your images so that Google can recognize what it's called and what the image is all about. So we'll first need some images, and you can go to one of these free stock photo websites that I like to go to. One's called pexels.com and the other's called unsplash.com. I'll link those in the description below. But for this example, we'll go ahead and use Unsplash, and I've already researched real estate. And I actually like this photo, so I'll probably download this right here. And then we'll just pick another one like this one. We'll download it right here. Now that we got our images, we can go ahead and go to the next step, which is go to tinypng.com. And this basically is one of the best compression websites for your images, so that they'll load faster on your website. So as you'll see, you can just drag and drop these images real quick, and you can see that it goes from like a 318 gigabyte to 168. So you get 47 and 48% less size, so that they'll download faster when someone goes to your website. And that's huge for what your website speed. So you have to download them again. All right, now that we have them downloaded, and you can open them up in your computer. And the next thing we need to do is we need to optimize the name of the file. So as you see, when you download it from Pexels, it comes up with this long tail name that you need to change. And for this example, we're doing a real estate website. So say you're in Virginia Beach, like I am. You would do, the keyword would be something like Virginia Beach real estate, right? And then you can also change it on the other one, but still keep the keywords like real estate Virginia Beach, right? So now that hits the keywords that you need, and this can work for anything. If you're like a plumber, you have some type of local business, that tagging them with your keywords like this helps a lot. Now that we have our images named the way that we want them to be, with the keywords that we want, next we need to go to our website. And with our website, we're going to upload them to our editor. And with this example, I'm using WordPress. So I'm just going to take both of them and upload them. And since I can only put one in this spot, I'll go ahead and choose this one. But here's the most important part. You need to tell basically Google what this image is. So you can have the title, but you also need the alt text. So the alt text you can just copy this, paste it here, and I would delete the slash marks from here. And then I usually just do this as well and insert. And there you go. Now you're fully optimized with Virginia Beach real estate as the alt tags. And then you would, if you wanted to add another one, you can go ahead and do that. Edit, select the other one, and do the exact same thing with the alt tags here. And this helps Google know what the image is, and it helps you rank for, that specific keywords. As long as the title of the page and the other tags are as well. So, yeah, that's all you need to know. And if you like this tutorial, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll keep making videos just like this. Have a great day.